1. Sagittarius A, the monster at the heart of the Milky Way. Hidden 26,000 light-years away, right at the center of our Milky Way galaxy, lies Sagittarius A. This supermassive black hole has a mass equivalent to about 4 million suns. Despite being invisible to the naked eye, it exerts a powerful influence, holding our galaxy together and governing the orbits of countless stars. For decades, astronomers suspected its presence, but it wasn't until 2022 that the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first image of its shadow, confirming its terrifying existence. Imagine something so dense that even time itself bends around it. If Earth were anywhere near its event horizon, our planet would be ripped apart in seconds. Fortunately, we're at a safe distance for now, but Sagittarius A is a constant reminder that our galaxy is ruled by an invisible giant, capable of consuming stars whole. 2. TON 618, the largest black hole ever found. TON 618 is a true cosmic monster, one of the most massive black holes ever discovered. Estimated to be 66 billion times the mass of our Sun, it dwarfs everything else we know. Located over 10 billion light-years away, it appears as a quasar, an active galactic nucleus radiating more energy than entire galaxies. The sheer scale of TON 618 defies our understanding of how black holes can grow so enormous. If placed at the center of the Milky Way, it would stretch across our entire solar system, swallowing every planet with ease. Its jets of radiation are so powerful they could sterilize any nearby galaxy. TON 618 is a chilling reminder that in the early universe, black holes could reach unimaginable sizes, rewriting the limits of physics and making even supermassive black holes look small. 3. Cygnus X-1, the most famous black hole. Cygnus X-1 holds a special place in the history of astronomy as the very first black hole ever confirmed. Discovered in the 1960s as a powerful X-ray source, it sits about 6,000 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus, locked in a deadly dance with a massive blue supergiant star. The black hole's immense gravity strips matter from its companion, forming a scorching accretion disk that emits X-rays powerful enough to be detected from Earth. What makes Cygnus X-1 so fascinating is not just its energy, but the role it played in proving black holes were real, rather than just mathematical curiosities. It remains one of the most studied stellar mass black holes, a cosmic laboratory where we can observe extreme physics, relativity, gravity, and radiation colliding in ways no Earth-based experiment can replicate. 4. M87, the first black hole ever photographed. In April 2019, humanity witnessed a historic moment, the first photograph of a black hole. This was M87, the supermassive black hole at the heart of galaxy Messier 87, located 53 million light-years away. With a mass of about 6.5 billion suns, M87 is large enough to produce a shadow visible across intergalactic distances. The iconic image, an orange glowing ring surrounding a dark center, was created using the Event Horizon Telescope, a network of radio observatories spread across the Earth. It was proof that Einstein's predictions about space, time, and gravity hold true even at the edge of reality. M87 also releases massive relativistic jets, streams of matter moving at near-light speed that stretch across thousands of light-years, showing that black holes can shape entire galaxies. 5. Quasar black holes, engines of cosmic beacons. Quasars are among the brightest and most violent objects in the universe, and at their hearts lie supermassive black holes feeding on torrents of matter. As gas and dust spiral inward, they heat up to billions of degrees, creating blazing accretion disks and launching jets of radiation so powerful they can be seen billions of light-years away. These objects are essentially black holes caught in the act of growing, consuming matter at ferocious rates. Quasars illuminate the early universe, helping scientists map cosmic structure across unimaginable distances. Yet, they also remind us of destructive power. If a quasar were near our Milky Way, its radiation would sterilize planets and tear atmospheres away. Thankfully, most quasars are ancient, fossils of the universe's violent youth. 6. Intermediate black holes, the missing link. For decades, astronomers knew of stellar mass and supermassive black holes. But what about the middle ground? Enter the intermediate mass black holes, IMBHs, objects ranging from hundreds to hundreds of thousands of solar masses, a missing link between small and supermassive black holes. Detecting them has been difficult, too small to blaze like quasars, yet too massive to form from ordinary stellar collapse. Some evidence comes from dense star clusters and gravitational wave detections. If IMBHs exist, they may explain how the first supermassive black holes grew so quickly in the early universe, serving as cosmic seeds that merged and fed until they became the galactic titans we see today. 7. Primordial black holes, relics of the Big Bang. Primordial black holes are strange theoretical objects that may have formed moments after the Big Bang, when density fluctuations caused some regions of the young universe to collapse. They could be as small as atoms, yet more massive than mountains, or as large as planets. Some scientists even suggest they might make up dark matter, the invisible glue that holds galaxies together. Despite decades of searching, no conclusive evidence has been found. But if they exist, they could explain mysteries of the early cosmos and the formation of galaxies. They may be fossils of creation itself, tiny windows into the birth of everything. 8. Rogue black holes, cosmic wanderers. Rogue black holes drift silently through space, untethered to any galaxy. They can form when galaxies collide and gravitational forces fling a black hole away, or when asymmetric supernova explosions give it a violent kick. Invisible and stealthy, they reveal themselves only when passing through clouds of gas or distorting starlight with gravity. Astronomers estimate there may be millions of rogue black holes wandering the Milky Way alone. The terrifying part is their unpredictability. One could be heading toward us right now, unseen until it starts warping nearby star orbits. In 2022, NASA confirmed the first possible rogue black hole, drifting about 5,000 light-years away. 9. Binary black holes, when two monsters collide. If one black hole is terrifying, imagine two locked in an endless gravitational waltz. Binary black holes orbit each other for millions of years, radiating energy as gravitational waves, ripples in space-time predicted by Einstein. When they finally merge, the collision releases more energy in an instant than all the stars in the visible universe combined. The first detection came in 2015, when LIGO observed waves from two colliding black holes about 30 solar masses each. This discovery confirmed Einstein's theory and opened a new window for exploring the universe, listening to its most violent symphonies. 10. Hypothetical wormholes, black holes as gateways. Among the most mind-bending ideas in physics is the possibility that black holes might connect to their opposites, white holes, forming wormholes, tunnels through space and time. In theory, matter falling into a black hole could re-emerge elsewhere, or even in another universe. While the concept is mathematically possible, no evidence exists, and most physicists think such structures would collapse instantly without exotic forms of negative energy to stabilize them. Still, the idea challenges us to see black holes not as dead ends, but as potential gateways, doorways that might one day link distant corners of the cosmos.